Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quick marinara sauce using ketchup. This method is perfect for when you're short on time or fresh tomatoes. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. It's a surprisingly versatile and flavorful way to create a delicious sauce in about 15 minutes, offering a delightful twist on a classic. Now, let's get started with the cooking process. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden. This step builds a crucial flavor base for our sauce. Next, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, the ketchup. Carefully pour 1 cup of ketchup into the saucepan with the sautéed garlic. Stir it well to combine. Now, let's add our seasonings. Incorporate 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, along with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a small pinch of salt. A teaspoon of sugar helps balance the flavors beautifully. Once all the ingredients are combined, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over low to medium heat. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Enjoy your quick and easy marinara.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.